Yo, I'm just putting something out real interesting. I just changed my motherboard to a Gaming Plus Max. I was using this motherboard here, and lately it stopped working, and I boxed it back up. But anyway, it was a good motherboard. I had 6 cards running on it, and then some reason it died, so I got this motherboard here. I've got it on another rig, so that's why I brought it a second time. Having problems at the moment with the 6th card. This is a 6800 AMD. It's the non-XT version. Sapphire. There it is there. It turns on, but just the rig won't post. Troubleshooting it at the moment, and we'll test it. But anyway, I'm getting 74 hash. Haven't really done anything too crazy at the moment, so I'm using the same settings in my old previous video that I put up. Similar settings, sorry, not the same. But what's really interesting is it's I'll just go up here. When this thing started cranking out, I noticed that it really picked up. $73.73. Like, sorry, this one was 74 mega hash. I think I did see a 74 before. But yeah, no, this is really good. And getting heaps of accepted shares right now. I've only been up, I think, 6 minutes. I've got 17 accepted shares, so boom.